Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to post on Reddit mobile app, you've come to the right place. So to do it is really simple. You need to go to Reddit and here just click on create a new post in the middle of the bottom on your screen. You need to write a title, body text, and also you can add a link if you want. You can add a photo, you can add a video. And once you've done that, click on next. Choose any subreddit you want to post. On some subreddit like this geography subreddit, you need to add a flare. Choose the correct flare for your post. Click on apply and just simply click on post. Once you've done that, your post will be ready and people will answer it, upvote it, downvote it, comment it, and other stuff. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.